Welcome to my show, Abhishek.
Thank you, Manish.
एक तो आप बहुत ही स्टाइलिश है and I know a lot of female models and a lot of actresses who call you a dish. So I think आप वो जो एक word है मैंने किसी हीरो के लिए नहीं सुना.
It's embarrassing, no, to be called a dish.
Yeah, it's nice though.
Why? What is dish?
Meaning you're desirable, if I may say, havable. How does that feel?
It's yeah, thank you. It's nice. Just give me their phone numbers.
All right. Tell me, जब आप फिल्मों में आए तब एक बहुत ट्रेंड था of all these heroes like working on their muscles and their body and have all bare chested shots and things like that. But आपने ये नहीं किया. आपकी पहली फिल्म में भी you came across as a great actor, as this wonderful actor. And were you conscious of that? कि no, I want to be known as an actor first and then as this.
पहली बात तो ये कि actor होने के लिए you have to have a great body.
Yeah.
That's the attitude I came in with, which I think to a certain degree that I was wrong. मैंने ये नहीं सोचा था कि films जो है it's a visual medium, so you have to be presentable.
Yeah.
Which at one point I'm pretty sure I wasn't. But I still maintain that you don't need a fantastic body.
Yeah.
The reason I never showed my body is because I never had a body. I'm sure if I had a body like say something like Salman, I'd love to take my shirt off.
Yeah.
But I've always maintained that if your character requires you to have a good body, you must have it.
But off lately आपने बहुत weight lose किया है. You've
Yeah.
like shrunk, I think 11 kgs.
Yeah.
Is that a conscious effort?
It was. मैं एक पिक्चर पे काम कर रहा हूँ, which is called बंटी और बबली, जो शाद अली डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं रानी के साथ. और उस किरदार के लिए उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि आप जरा पतले हो जाइए क्योंकि he's a young kid, he's a 22, 23-year-old. So I was a bit apprehensive. He said, no, just become thin and we'll pull off the rest. So he needed to be a thin character.
So if a role tomorrow demands you to be very muscular, you'll do it.
Most definitely.
So it's all about a role.
It has to be. That's what we're here to do. हम लोग actor हैं and we have to do what the film demands of us.
So you're not vain. You're not someone like you want to do it for yourself and you to look into a mirror lots of times.
Every actor does. I think it's very important कि actor जो है वो he's very very obsessed with himself. In a good way.
Yeah, yeah.
Because a model's job is to have a wonderful body and look good all the time, and you have to do what it takes to do that.
Yeah.
An actor is similar in that they have to look, like I said, presentable as well as be a good actor. So it's important to polish your craft, or it's important to take care of your skin, take care of your hair, take care of your health. Because there are many people that depend on you, and you are answerable to the audience that comes and pays hard-earned money to watch you.
So many heroines you work with, and वो heroines are known कि बहुत time लगाती हैं कपड़े पहनने में and तैयार होने में. Do you get impatient? क्या आपको लगता है कि कितना time लग रहा है, ये लोग इतना ध्यान क्यों दे रहे हैं अपने कपड़ों पर?
क्योंकि उनका काम है, like I said, you have to understand that it's a visual medium. वो अपना काम कर रही हैं, that's it. And I'm very good about it क्योंकि half of them that I work, actually most of them, are my friend. तो मैं फोन करके बोलता हूँ कि भैया जब 15 मिनट पहले आप मुझे बुला लीजिए, मैं घर से निकल आऊँगा. So I just chill. It's not a problem.
Last year के one of the biggest hits आपकी फिल्म थी धूम. Your look was changed in that also कि you had those glasses throughout and you had longer sideburns थे आपके. You had lost weight. So tell me, was that also you said कि it's a character which is a biker's
जी,
character?
आदित्य चोपड़ा जो धूम के प्रोड्यूसर हैं, उन्होंने एक दिन मुझे फोन किया और बोला कि देखो, we have to change your look. I had gone with a character, conceived the character in a particular way. और जब मैं उनसे मिलने गया तो Anaita was there, who was a stylist of the film, and Sanjay, the director. और उन्होंने कहा कि देखिए, it's a very young, hip kind of film. It's totally devoid of realism. I thought कि मैं पैंट शर्ट पहन के टूट पड़ूंगा, stiff cop and all. But they said no, we wanted younger, we wanted youth based. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये औश हैं, इनका एक हेयर ड्रेसिंग सैलून है जूस, ये आपके बाल काटेंगे.
बहुत अच्छे बाल काटे थे and I remember asking you, I met you at a party and I said Abhishek, this hairstyle is very very good. I remember that.
No, I was paranoid.
हाँ.
क्योंकि मैंने आदि से बहुत झगड़ा किया था कि भैया मेरे बाल मत कटवाइए, आप मेरे बाल छोड़ दीजिए, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ अपने बालों के साथ. और he insisted नहीं, आपको काटना ही होगा. तो finally I gave in and I said चलिए बाल काट लेते हैं. I went to meet Osh ने मेरे बाल काटे, मैं वापस ऑफिस गया और आदि said what is this haircut you've got? So I was devastated as an actor because the next morning I had shooting. But yeah, the whole emphasis on Dhoom was a particular look and styling, and that's what we did. The glasses were my idea.
Yeah,
it was my ode to Ali G.
Okay.
So I said, yeah, I have to do this.
But tell me, Abhishek, हमेशा किसी ने आपको ड्रैग किया सालों में और बाल कटवाए हैं या कहा कि हेयर स्ट्रीक कर लो या भी जैकेट पहन लो, तो जैसे आपने कहा ग्लासेस एक आपका आइडिया था, बाकी का किसी ने बोला स्टबल, तो दैट मींस पीपल रियली लाइक यू कि वो ड्रैग कर लेते हैं और आपको लेके जाते हैं और आपका स्टाइल फॉर्म.
No, I'm just very stubborn.
अच्छा.
No, like I said, like in terms, I can't say it's style. Lekin it's just the way I am. I've not been the kind of person who spends a lot of time worrying about what to wear, what not to wear. In the morning I wake up, मैं कुछ निकाल देता हूँ कबर्ड से और वो ही पहन लेता हूँ. That's me. I'm not chilled out that way.
You're very possessive about your hair. I remember जब I dragged you to Dilshad's salon for a haircut, आपने कहा कि बहुत थोड़े बाल काटी and you hate product in your hair. In fact, अभी भी शो से पहले मैंने कहा अभिषेक, should we put some hair product and you were like, no, I'm fine.
जी नहीं, I'm not possessive about my hair. I'm paranoid about my hair.
But why?
ज़्यादातर एक्टर जो होते हैं वो पैरानॉइड होते हैं अपने बालों के बारे में, क्योंकि हम आधे जो हैं हमारे बाल हैं नहीं.
अच्छा, but आपके पास बहुत
नहीं, झड़ रहे हैं एकदम बहुत. The reason I will never go with you to a hairdresser is because you made me look like a complete moron.
Not at all. You can never look like a moron.
दिलशाद ने मुझे अपने वो कुर्सी पे बिठा के she put some Venetian blinds in my hair and did some, I don't know what else she was doing. It was a bit embarrassing.
But in One Love, that song, there is a very different tune. You're wearing these suits and your shirt buttons are open and your hair's done with every change. In fact, if I remember clearly, they also streaked.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how come you did that?
Against my wishes.
But looked very good.
Thank you.
I must say that.
Vaibhavi, who choreographed that song. Alim did my hair, and Falguni, who did my clothes. They grouped up and went to meet Anna Sunil Shetty and said, "देखिए, आप अभिषेक से बात करिए. We just tell him to just leave it up to us." So literally every morning वो मुझे बैठा के बांध के मेरे बाल बनवाते थे और कपड़े पहनाते थे, and they just said, "Look, you can't say anything." They bullied me into it.
So then you unhappily did it, but you looked fantastic.
Thank you. I think it's important कभी कभार
to try something.
To try something. You never know what can work. और जब आप मुझे अपने बाल कटाने ले जाते थे
अच्छा.
तो मैं डरता था कि भाई क्या करेंगे, my face balance will go. Actors get paranoid about these things, but we have to learn to just relax.
You looked glamorous in that song, and फिर आपने युवा की जहाँ you are very grungy, and the look is it's a roadside character, but he is obviously not into dressing up well, but yet there is a look to him in terms of the shirts or the ganjis and his.
युवा का जो look था वो credit तो मुझे आपको देना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आपने वो कपड़े किए थे. I remember you and me sitting in the office and talking about what they should look, and you said, look, he wants these colors and I think he should wear this. So just coming from that, if here was a character called Lalan Singh who was very raw, very crude, very crass, somebody who didn't really bother for much apart from what he's doing.
Yeah.
And the look you set for him, which is just worn jeans, a ganji or t-shirt uske upar ya shirt.
Yeah.
Half the time he wasn't wearing anything.
Yeah.
तो मुझे भी लगा कि he doesn't look like the kind of person who'd shave.
Yeah.
So I remember I came across, I said, Manish, मैंने एक गोटी रखी है, and आपने said, why don't you keep a stubble with it?
Yeah.
So we kept that whole stubble look, and there was no makeup, and you said, why don't you put some kajal? So kajal लगा के बाल बिखरा के हम लोग set पे आ गए, and that was it.
Kajal reminds me कि नाच में also there's a lot of stubble and there's kajal in your eyes, and your close-ups look brilliant. I mean, especially that black shirt.
Nach's character was like that. The character of Abhi and Nach in the first half, जब वो एक struggler है, I remember जब भी मैं रामू के ऑफिस में जाता था, there's always there are a lot of actors who come there to seek work. You see a lot of them with the stubble, and a stubble also gives a very raw and a very manly image for some reason.
Yeah.
तो रामू को लगा कि we should keep an unkept look. But in the second half when he does become an actor, उसके बाद we started shaving and.
आपके पिताजी एक फैशन आइकॉन थे. Knotted shirts, big glasses, big collars. कभी आपको ऐसे लगा कि अब मैं हीरो बन रहा हूँ, मुझे भी एक फैशन स्टेटमेंट बनाना होगा या कुछ ट्रेंड शुरू करने होंगे?
जी नहीं, मुझे आज तक ऐसे नहीं लगता है. मैं ये मानता हूँ कि मैं अपना काम करूँ, अच्छे से करूँ, जील और मन लगा के करूँ और बस बाकी सब जो है वो भगवान देख लेंगे. I don't think Dad also ever worked. I don't think many actors think that way.
It just happens.
Yeah, I think it comes with public appreciation and acceptance. जैसे Dad हमेशा कहते थे कि जब वो पूरा knotted shirt का जो ट्रेंड चला था, वो कह रहे थे कि वो सेट पे पहुंचे थे यशंकर की दीवार के लिए और वो शर्ट जो थी वो ज्यादा लंबी हो गई थी, तो people had made it too long.
हाँ.
It was getting too long, so he got impatient. He had to go for another shoot. Yashank was getting impatient, so Dad just took it, tied it up, and said, "Chalo, shooting karte." And that was it.
So styles formed out of just.
It just
happens.
Yeah, I don't think actors consciously make an effort to make a statement.
Personally, आप हमेशा सफेद पठानी में होते हैं. Generally, I've never seen you with like jackets or things like that. Your dressing is always a bit formal. It's not very casual. Any particular reason?
I think it starts from घर पे जो माहौल होती है. Then when you go to school, I think, in your formative years, what you experience is what reflects later on. I've always been very comfortable wearing Indian clothes because they are very comfortable. Then when I was in school, I went to a boarding school which was very formal, so we had to dress in suits to go to class. Our uniform was a jacket and tie. So you get used to that. I'm most comfortable in a suit, which is really weird, but I am. Even Indian clothing, I think they're very comfortable and, they're ideally suited for Indian weather. So I mean, otherwise, I don't think I'm a very formal dresser.
Yeah, no, I think you're more classic. आपको जैसे मैंने अक्सर देखा है आप व्हाइट शर्ट ब्लू जीन्स एंड
हाँ,
ब्लैक
वो मेरा
ब्लेजर में होते
हाँ,
हैं
वो
व्हिच इज वेरी वेरी क्लासिक एंड वेरी
स्टेपल है, you can't go wrong with it. जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि मैं हमेशा वही पहनता हूँ जो मुझे पसंद है and what I'm comfortable in, you know. It's more about comfort than anything else.
योर हाइट योर वॉइस इज वेरी सिमिलर टू योर डैड्स। आपके पिताजी की तरह आपकी आवाज़ और आपकी हाइट भी है। तो वार्डरोब, आप शूज़ जो हैं, वॉचेस जो हैं, आप शेयर करते हैं कभी कभी?
बिल्कुल। मेरी एक बहुत ही बुरी आदत है और वो है कि मैं शॉपिंग नहीं कर सकता हूँ, which you have also fired me for many times.
Fired you?
बेहद नफरत करता हूँ मैं शॉपिंग से। I just can't handle it.
अच्छा।
तो मेरे जिंदगी में कुछ गिने चुने 5-6 लोग हैं जो मेरे लिए कपड़े खरीदते हैं। उनमें से 2 मेरे माँ और बाप हैं। So dad and mom still buy my clothes for me.
How sweet is that?
Yeah, my sister, Karan, you, are all people that just, you know, whenever you say this is what you should wear, and I can't handle shopping. So keeping that in mind, it's not seldom that, you know, I go and buy clothes for myself. So that affords me one great pleasure, which is मैं dad की cupboard में जाके उनके कपड़े ले लेता हूँ।
Okay.
Because we're almost the same height.
Right, yeah.
And मेरे दादाजी जो हैं उन्होंने हमेशा मेरे डैड से कहा था कि जिस दिन आपका बेटा आपके जूते पहनना शुरू करेगा वो आपका बेटा नहीं आपका दोस्त बन जाता है। I started wearing my dad's shoes when I was 13. So
So
we
you
had
always
this,
felt very early.
yeah. And you know, we had the same size, only his pants are slightly longer because he wears his pants a lot higher.
Yeah.
So I just, whenever I've got nothing to do, I just go, you know, rob one of his things.
Your mother's also very stylish. तो आपने what have you imbibed from your mother?
Well, I hopefully haven't imbibed a lot because she's a woman. जो
really
खासियत
what
माँ
you
में
wear,
है in the way is the way she carries herself.
Yeah.
मुझे हमेशा लगा है कि माँ is a very dignified dresser.
Yeah.
And although she's only 5 feet tall, she comes across as a lot taller because of the way she carries herself.
And she's also
Her
your best
gait
critic.
is like that. Yes.
She tells you. What I meant was what she asks you to wear and what she doesn't ask you to wear.
Well,
does that influence you?
yeah, because I'm a bit spoiled that way. I'm the baby of the house. I'm the youngest. So, you know, if I have to go out and I'm like, Mom, please take out some clothes for me. I know it sounds a bit immature and juvenile, but
No, it sounds lovely. It's great, and you say
I
it, so
can't
that's-
handle all this.
Yeah.
So.
मैं इन्हें फास्ट ट्रैक क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाला हूँ जिसका ऑल्टरनेटिव आंसर मैं आपको दूंगा और आप उसमें से एक आंसर चुन सकते हैं। आपको क्या ज़्यादा बॉदर करता है, पिंपल्स या डैंड्रफ?
दोनों.
दोनों।
Yeah.
अगर आपके जेब में सिर्फ 500 रुपये हों, आखिरी 500 रुपये, तो आप किस पे खर्च करेंगे? अच्छे जूतों पर या अच्छे खाने पर?
खाने पर.
खाने पर। जूते तो आते रहेंगे।
जी, वो डैड के पास है, उनसे ले लूंगा मैं.
अच्छा। फैशन आपके लिए क्या है, ब्यूटी या कंफर्ट?
कंफर्ट.
आपको एक लड़की में क्या ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, शक्ल या अक्ल?
शक्ल या तो both have to be both.
Both and not one. You won't settle down for one.
No.
आपको किस चीज़ से ज़्यादा डिप्रेशन होती है, बुरी फिल्म्स या बुरी परफॉर्मेंस से?
बुरी परफॉर्मेंस अगर वो मेरी परफॉर्मेंस हो और बुरी फिल्म अदरवाइज.
अपनी ज़िंदगी की आखिरी रात आप किसके साथ गुजारना चाहेंगे, ब्रिटनी स्पीयर्स या बियॉन्से?
बियॉन्से बाय फार.
कौन ज़्यादा सेक्सियर है, ऐश्वर्या राय या सुष्मिता सेन?
पिटवाएंगे आप मुझे.
नहीं।
I can't choose one. They both will beat me up if I say.
Yeah, so both.
Yeah, of course.
और कौन ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है, रानी मुखर्जी या प्रीति जिंटा?
I don't think either of them are pretty.
They're just sweet, is it?
They're basically nice people.
अच्छा, जब आपको डाउट हो कि आपकी शर्ट अच्छी लग रही है या नहीं, तो आप किसकी बात मानेंगे, your father's or your mother's?
I think I listen to dad.
You listen to that.
Yeah.
You'll ask.
Ma still thinks I'm 2 years old now, so she'll dress me up in some polo striped check shirt or something. I don't know.
अगर आप किसी लड़की को इम्प्रेस कर रहे हो, तो आप किसका सहारा ज़्यादा लेंगे, अपनी बातों का या अपने हाथों का?
Ooh, good one. दोनों.
दोनों.
2 in 1.
Yeah. आप कब ज़्यादा रिलैक्स महसूस करते हैं, एक ड्रिंक के बाद या एक मसाज के बाद?
मसाज के बाद.
आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड्स ने आपको सबसे ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स किस बात पर दिए हैं, आपकी स्माइल पर या आपकी आंखों पर?
वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स देती ही नहीं थी.
That's not true.
It is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
और इतने कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स देते थे कि you thought it's just a way of
I thought they were just being nice to me.
conversing.
Yeah.
ऐसे हो गया. You just got used to them.
No, I didn't get used to them. I just learned to take them with a bag of salt.
काफ़ी फिल्म स्टार्स के पास बहुत वैन्स होती हैं, यू नो डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ वैन्स होती हैं, बट जो आई थिंक जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में बेस्ट वैन है वो आपके पास है। एंड आई रिमेंबर कमिंग देयर मॉर्निंग में जब शूटिंग शुरू होती है, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल गायत्री मंत्र चल रहा होगा या अगरबत्ती की स्मेल होगी, एंड यू हैव द बेस्ट डीवीडी कलेक्शन। सबसे अच्छी फिल्में, सबसे अच्छा म्यूजिक आपके पास होता है। ये आपका शौक है?
जी बिल्कुल. जब मैंने रेफ्यूजी शुरू की थी तो for actors there's a trailer that is organized.
Yeah.
जहाँ हम लोग बैठे हैं,
Correct,
कपड़े पहने and do our makeup and just chill out between shots. And I'm tall, so I used to never fit in those trailers. I used to find it very uncomfortable because I'd like to have my surroundings around me. And तब मैंने तय कर लिया था कि मैं अपने लिए खुद एक van बना लूँगा. And I ordered a van, designed it, and made it to my specifications.
Which I must tell you that it's a very very stylish van and it's the best in the industry. तो जब अभिषेक बच्चन कहते हैं कि वो stylish नहीं है, उनकी कभी मत सुनिएगा कि वो बहुत stylish है.
नहीं, तो मैंने एक van order किया था और वो बन गया ना. It's just our trailers is a place where we spend most of our time.
Yeah.
You know, हमारे shot जब खत्म हो जाते हैं तो उसके बीच में खाना पीना, to sleep or to you need your space around you. You need your things. It's important for us.
Yeah.
And so that's why I did it.
And जो फिल्मों देखने का शौक आपको हमेशा था.
जी, हमेशा.
So that's Hindi films and English films.
जी.
And the music, the kind of music you like.
Everything. Anything that appeals to me. It could be Indian classical or Western classical, or it could be hip hop or trance or techno or Hindi film music.
Could be Bhappi Lahiri, R.D. Burman.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
They're the rock
I love all
stars.
kind of music. Yeah, absolutely. Tell me, खाने पीने का शौक आपको बहुत है. मगर now that you've lost so much of weight, are you keeping yourself away from it?
I'm a very simple eater. You give me chicken curry and rice, I can eat it for the rest of my life, every day, all day.
Okay. So what's the kind of food जो आपको बहुत
Simple घर का खाना is I'm happiest with.
Okay.
My only problem is मैं junk food बहुत खाता हूँ.
वो आपको अभी भी पसंद है.
Cookies, banana chips, bhel puri, all that. I can live on that.
But you're staying away from it. अब आप नहीं खा रहे हैं इसे.
No, I'm not staying away, but you have to control these things.
That's the reason of 11 kgs gone.
And that and a lot of hard work.
Yeah.
Long hours in the gym.
Thank you so much for coming, Abhishek.
My pleasure,
It was
Manish.
great
Thank you
fun.
for having me.
Thank you.